2024年第6條 MC。好，咁呢一幅圖咧，大家一望咧就可能覺得哇好易啫，考緊你 primary production、secondary production、tertiary production 咁樣啦。咁呢個哇超易喎，咁響教第9課 production 嘅時候學晒啦咁啊。咁咧但係就唔好意思啦，其實咧佢呢一條咧就係比較新穎啲嘅出法，就同過往嘅問法有啲唔同，就係加多咗一個 role，就係個 household 落去幅圖嗰度喎，好特別喎，係咪？見唔見到？佢加多咗 household 呢一個角色咧，喺幅圖嗰度咧就令到全件事咧就有少少唔同咗，個難度係高咗嘅。咁我哋先睇翻一啲箭嘴啦。嗱，我哋唔好理下 household 住先，我哋睇翻 primary、secondary 同埋 tertiary 之間嘅關係先。咁題目佢係問緊你 Q 同埋 P。咁我哋先睇咗 Q 先，因為 Q 咧就係顯示住 tertiary production 咧係提供緊一啲嘢俾 primary production 嘅。咁究竟提供嘅係啲咩咧？咁我哋一直嘅學習都知啦。Tertiary production 咧就係 provision of service， 係咪？咁所以啦，佢提供俾 primary 嘅嘢咧，亦都係一啲嘅 service 咯，係咪？咁所以我哋知道咧 boy 同埋咧 D 咧都可以查走佢啦，因為Q 係 stand for service。咁問題係咁究竟P 係 stand for 啲咩咧？咁樣咁啊，我哋就要諗翻啦。咁究竟而家 secondary production 係賣緊啲乜嘢俾 household 咧？咁啊，記住 household 嘅意思咧，其實就即係消費者，即係 consumer。咁但凡 consumer 向一個嘅 producer 去買嘢咧，賣俾 consumer 嘅嗰啲嘢咧，就一定係叫 consumer goods， 因為係 consumer 買噶嘛，係咪 ？consumer 係買嘢嗰個人嘛。咁阿 household 佢係一個 consumer， 咁所以佢咧所買嘅嘢咧就係 consumer goods 啦。咁所以咧就答案就唔係 C 啦，就唔係 producer goods 啦。咁呢度我都想補充多一點啦。其實咁如果係 within primary production、secondary production 同埋 tertiary production 之間嘅交易又係點咧？其實佢哋之間咧交易緊嘅嗰啲通通都係一啲 producer goods 嚟嘅，因為佢哋係互相賣嘢俾對方。而佢賣俾對方嗰個對方呢一個嘅對象咧，其實係一個 producer 嚟噶嘛。咁當如果一個 producer 喺另一個 producer 身上買一啲嘢嚟到協助生產咧，咁佢買翻嚟嗰啲嘢咧就通通都叫做 producer goods 噶啦。咁所以咧within primary production、secondary production 同埋 tertiary production 之間嗰個嘅買賣咧，嗰啲咧都係一啲 producer goods 嚟嘅。咁啊，今次2024年冇考咧大家啦，咁唔知將來會唔會咁樣考啦？咁大家都可以記住呢一點。